Hey everyone, Alan Hernandez, broker director of White Picket Realty. And if you've been following my videos, you would have noticed that we just picked up a fresh new flip, and I'm super excited to share it with you guys over in the Maryland area of Houston. And it's in the $500,000 to $700,000 price point, 2,500 square feet, zoned to Bellaire High Schools. I'm super excited about it because I want to be able to document this and share the progress of what we're doing with you. Most importantly, one of the things that we talked about in the last video is that it all starts with proper planning when you're doing a flip. And once you have your big ticket items bid out, which we take care of prior to closing, then the first thing that we start with is the kitchen. Now, this kitchen's interesting because if you look around, it's not in terrible shape, right? Like, it has a hard surface countertop. It's actually a granite. It has GE profile appliances that are white. But if you look at the kitchen overall, outdated lighting fixtures, and the size of it is small. It's smaller than it should be for a 2,500 square foot house. And as people learn to live and spend more time in their houses because they love to work from home, we want to be able to provide a space where multiple family members can sit at or cook in when they're at home. So with that said, here's what we're going to do to this kitchen in order to update it without spending a ton of money. And this is the same thing you can do with your flips too. First things first, we're going to rip out all of these top cabinets, right? Why is that? Because I cannot stand this fur down. It's so old school, nobody likes it. We want 42-inch cabinets from the ceiling. That gives us a much larger cabinet, more space for storage, but it also updates the look. We're also going to take off all of the doors from the top cabinets and the bottom cabinets. We're going to reface them with a fresh new look, something more modern. This little shaker style door is a little bit old school for us, so we want to update this, but we want to save some money. So we're going to leave some of the cabinet bases below intact. We're going to change out this piece here, which is an island that's just kind of sticking out from the middle of the kitchen. And we're going to push it out all the way to the other side over here. Hopefully you guys can see it. And this kitchen now is going to absorb. Damn it. That was doing so good.